NBC29 forecast.
And there is the view from Charlottesville's downtown mall around the Christmas tree. The grand illumination will occur here in the next few hours. Right now, just damp conditions. Most of the steady rain has exited. Temperatures are in the middle 40s. Here's a view of the last several hours with the satellite and radar combination. Again, late morning, early afternoon, we had that first batch that came through that has exited, and just a few lingering lighter showers now. We'll zoom in on some of that activity, mainly east of Charlottesville, especially as you get out toward Orange and Louisa, mainly near and east of 522. Some of the steadier rain exiting. There's still a few lingering showers back behind that, but this is fairly light as we look down toward Livingston and even over Charlottesville. Well, before the rain arrived, some of us did see the sun this morning. How about this red sky sunrise? That was captured by Janet Braithwaite there in Mount Sidney, looking out toward Massanutten. Let's take a look at numbers right now. Generally in the middle 40s. Before the rain set in, many of us hovered right around 50 degrees earlier this afternoon, but then the rain set in, and with this saturated air mass, temperatures won't move a whole lot for the overnight. If there's any little bit of clearing, that's only going to promote more in the way of fog, but we'll certainly have some as we venture through the late night and overnight period. Now here's the planner for Saturday. Certainly no washout, but we're going to have another round of rain mainly tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. So mostly cloudy skies here. We'll start the morning in the 40s. Again, temperatures on southerly winds should climb higher than today in the low and mid 60s. But as we get close to 4, 5, 6 o'clock, that's when the next batch of rain arrives for Saturday. And then that takes us into Sunday morning. But Sunday, not an all-day rain, but there will be some periods of showers around. But temperatures this weekend, first weekend of December, kind of hover in the low and mid 60s. So we're looking at additional rain. First of all, the rain that we've received so far today has generally been between a tenth upwards to near a quarter of an inch. So this taking us out in time into Sunday night, an additional maybe half an inch or less across the region. That's the American GFS model. The European model, much the same, hovering near or just around a half an inch of rain. So there's that first batch, a few lingering showers back behind it. Essentially, we have a front that's out to the west, but it's really not going to kick through here until Sunday evening. With the winds aloft and the surface out of the south and southwest, that's going to promote more in the way of milder conditions here, along with unsettled skies as we go through the weekend. So right now, we've got those numbers in the 40s. There is some milder air that'll work in tomorrow and Sunday as the front gets a little closer. So here we are in the morning, temperatures in the 40s, areas of fog. Much of the day here for Saturday's dry, but that next surge of rain will start to work in tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. There we are around 5 o'clock. Here we are around 8 o'clock, and that takes us into the late night period. Then on Sunday, overcast conditions. There will be some showers developing. The main front still out to the west, but that'll come through Sunday evening with a few showers, but the whole day is not going to be raining continuously, but temperatures will still be mild there on Sunday. Temperatures in the low and mid 60s, and those numbers will start to fall into next week. Tonight then, we're in the mid and lower 40s, areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A mild first weekend of December here. Front kicks through Sunday night, then temperatures will start to back down as we head into early next week. So rain chances through this weekend, but not a washout, and will remain dry here for much of next week behind that system.
Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. And remember,